Well, here we are down at the markets on a Sunday, and the sun's out. Trying to tell us there's going to be showers, but it's going to be tonight. Why they do it to us, I don't know. Yeah, thought I'd do a show today because we're getting a lot more new stall holders and very interesting ones. So yeah, we're going to talk to them and find out about them. And I hope you enjoy it. And it's going to be a great day. Lots of stalls. To Manly Markets 2095. Manly is the first beach north of Sydney Harbour and can easily be reached by ferry, car or bus. My name is Mark and I've been running the Manly Markets for 10 years now, and I have over 30 years retail experience in the surf industry, which has really helped me understand the markets business overall. Each week I'm going to show you all around our markets, including how we run them, introduce our stall holders, show you around Manly and interview some locals along the way. Please subscribe and enjoy our weekly shows every Friday. G'day Lee, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Alright, it's your first market with us?
Yes, I'm a newbie.
You are, you're a fantastic artist and you've done all this great art on swimwear, which is very unique. How come swimwear? Why did you choose that for?
Well, what happened was my dream is to open a gallery, but I can't afford to. So the next best thing is a walking, talking gallery of art on swimwear. Art is my passion, so you know,
Obviously, yes.
I thought, why not?
It's very good,
I got the opportunity and I thought, well,
okay, and yeah, I was complimenting your stall, and then you said you'd been watching all our YouTube shows and learning from all the hints we've been giving.
I'm addicted to them.
Well, that's good. You fast track, because a lot of people learn a lot of stuff on their first market day, and you've probably jumped 4 market days by doing that, so well done.
Thank you.
Hopefully we can teach you more.
Yes,
but, or you'll learn more just doing it.
Well,
and yeah,
learning all the time.
Yeah.
And the good thing is networking with other stall holders.
Yes, very important. It's okay. Still filming. Everyone does that. Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely a good idea.
Yes.
It's all about companionship here. We help each other and yeah, swap ideas.
Yeah.
And everyone buys from each other, don't they?
Yes, they do.
So yeah, tell us what items have you got? You got the bucket hat,
I've got
swimwear,
bucket hats,
towels,
sand-free towels. I've got art on cards, art on swimwear, and then I have, if you want to know where the Manly Daily and the Northern Beaches review went, it went into my bowls.
That was a COVID project, I'd say,
yes,
huh?
it was.
Yeah, excellent.
Yeah.
All right, well, you're enjoying your day, nice sunny day, and well done.
Thank you very much.
We'll see you next time.
Okay, thank you.
G'day Harrison, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good, thanks. Tell us about your stone engraving. This is quite unique.
Yeah, it is very unique. So we have a sandstone quarry out at East Currajong.
Right.
So it's all, we quarry all the stone ourselves. And I mainly do like landscaping products, like paving and capping and cladding and stuff like that.
Right.
And I've just sort of started getting into the monument sort of side of things, the memorial plaques and the yeah. So the headstones, we got headstone over there. We also specialise in like personalised gravestones too. So,
right.
Like larger pieces that we can't bring to these sort of events.
Yeah,
but,
right.
Yeah, and the home sort of decor things like the candles and the nice paperweights and just sort of fun novelty little things. So yeah, no, it's all personalised and whatnot. So
fantastic.
Yeah.
So how long have you been doing this?
Oh, not long.
Not long?
No.
So you've been doing the landscaping side for a while?
Yeah. A couple of years.
Right, okay.
I just over the break I bought a machine that does all the engraving.
Right.
Just to test it out, test the waters, see what it's all about. So.
Fantastic. How old are you?
I'm 21.
You look very young.
Yeah.
Well, good on you. And how did this come about?
Don't know. Really? No. Just thought of.
What were you doing before this? Was it?
So I'm a plumber by trade.
Right. Okay. And
work with my father.
Okay.
And
you thought you needed a change?
We
or
started this. I still do the plumbing. I still work
oh,
with
yeah?
that. This
okay.
is just a side thing I do.
Oh, good on you.
Yeah,
it's good to see young people like yourself motivated and enthusiastic and getting out there. So, saving for your first house?
Oh, we've already bought one.
You've already bought one. There you go. Look at that. This guy has his head screwed on. Good on you. Yeah. All right. Well, look, all the best, and it's fantastic what you're doing, and good on you.
Appreciate it.
G'day, Riley. How are you?
Morning. Doing well, thanks. How are you?
Very good. Welcome to your first market with us.
Thank you. I'm loving it so far.
Yeah. Well, you know, this is a candle stall,
Yes.
and I think I just said to you that we've not accepted a new candle person in probably 3 to 4 years.
Oh, wow.
And the reason is that candles are candles, except you've come along with something exceptionally different.
Yes.
So tell us about how you started and what you do here.
Yeah, so I've always been making things with my hands and been trying to be creative. So the candles, I love candles in my place. So I just thought, hey, it's probably a bit more affordable for me to make my own candles. Started gifting them to my friends and started a business. Everything is fully customizable and they're all organic and lightly scented as well.
Right.
So just getting started, but it was just meant to be a hobby and it's definitely turned into a job for me.
Yeah, right.
So it's been great.
So how did you were making a few at home and gave to friends or something like that?
Exactly. Or? So I just wanted to start experimenting with soy wax. Everything's organic and good for you. And then I tried out a few different shapes. Got some recommendations from my girlfriends and different things like that, and it just really took off. So
right, okay. Is this your first market, or you've been doing a few? Or?
No, I've done a few. So I've been Palm Beach and Lane Cove Makers Market, but just trying to be in the community of, you know, healthful lifestyle. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's been going well for you?
Yeah, really awesome.
Right.
We've sold out a few times, so.
What's the main comment you're getting from your customers?
That they smell amazing.
Yeah.
Or also that they haven't seen this type of style before, so they really like it's a unique feature in their home.
There's a lot of unique shapes. I see a couple of nude body shapes there. Are they popular?
They're actually our most popular candles.
Are they?
So,
which one, the male body or the female?
It's a mix of both.
Is
but
it?
We've got
That's
a sizes as well and
that's
colors.
a polite answer, isn't it?
But yeah, people love them. It's actually modeled after David, and then the female just had to go along. So yeah, they're really popular.
Fantastic. All right, well, thanks very much for sharing that, and all the best.
Thanks very
G'day, Julia. How are you?
Hello, good. How are you?
Very good, thanks. You make resin products. Can you tell me about it and how you started?
Yes, sure. I've been doing this for the last 2 years. They're all handmade. They're out of resin. And just recently opened up my own studio as well. I've done only once mini market.
Yes.
And hoping to do more.
Okay.
In the future.
Have you done other markets?
I've done quite a few markets like Chester Hill, Liverpool, Bankstown.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
And how have you found moving around to different areas and different markets?
Definitely, it's challenging, but it's different because I mean, I feel like in this area, not many people does resin stuff.
Right.
I mean, it's unique, so
Yes.
it's pretty good.
How did you start making the resin products?
Look,
Where'd the idea come from?
so what happened was after my uni, I couldn't get into my field. I did interior design,
Right.
and I went for a Europe tour. And a lot of people was doing resin over there, especially in like UK, Germany.
Right.
So that's how my idea came through. And then I'm like, okay, I started as a hobby, you know, on the side. It just got bigger all of a sudden. So just recently, as I said, you know, quit my full-time job, and this is my full-time job.
This is your
now.
full-time job? Wow, that's
right.
What a great achievement. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
That must feel so good.
Oh, definitely does. Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay. You're your own boss now.
That's right.
And you're going to continue travelling around, pick different
That's
markets
my
and
plan,
things like that.
yeah.
Yeah, good on you.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's my plan.
And what have you learnt most about being a storeholder and your product?
Oh, with being a storeholder, look, as I said, it's definitely challenging. It's not easy. But you get out there, you know, you meet people. It's a definitely lovely experience. Yeah. I never experienced anything like this, but I wish I could have started earlier. You know.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
Well, you got a different view every day. You
Definitely.
trade, haven't you?
Last time I was actually down that area, so this is a different area.
Yep.
Next time we'll see.
Yeah, exactly. All right. Well, look, all the best, and
Thank you so much.
And your products are great.
Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. You're doing a
You're
great
very
job.
welcome. Thank you.
Thank you much.
Well, Sunday's starting to wrap up. It's very busy down here. Hour and a half to go. How good were those stories with the new stall holders? Gee, I love finding out just different things that I wouldn't find out unless I did this show. So very, very good. And that young guy, Harrison, man, amazing. So good. All right, that's it for this week. We'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.